Welcome to the first lesson of the first unit of Minute Micro Macro. Today we're looking at what do I demand? To get you warmed up, think to yourself, what is the relationship between the two variables in each pair? What are the factors that could cause a shift in demand? P stands for population change. If there's an increase in population, there would be an increase in consumers and we'd see an increase in demand. If there's a change in advertisement, whereby we increase the quantity or quality of adverts, we would see an increase in demand. S stands for substitutes. So for example, if the price of a substitute good increased, we would see those consumers switch to an alternative good, and so I would see an increase in demand for the good that I was focusing on. Income. If we saw an increase in the real income, we would expect to see an increase in demand of normal goods. F stands for fashion or trends. If the good we are selling is particularly fashionable or a trend at the time, we would see an increase in demand. Now it's important to notice that when we see increases in demand, we would represent that on a graph with a shift to the right. The next I stands for interest rates. Now if we saw an increase in interest rates, that would mean an increase in the cost of borrowing and an increase in the reward for saving. And so we would see a demand fall for our goods. C stands for complements. If the price of a complement were to increase, we would see the fall in demand for our good. And remember that a fall in demand is represented by a shift to the left.
The full lesson is available on YouTube at Minute Micro Macro.